Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. Now we are at final part of the subseries C# application configuration file. In this video, we will see some real-time example. These are all the slide decks from previous parts. So in the previous video, we learned how to read app settings as well as a connection string. Now we will continue with the example. So this time we will add some new entries under app settings. And if you see, when we add app setting for easy editing purpose, we provided some comment. So this is how you should provide comment. You have to use angle bracket, exclamation symbol, then to underscore, write your settings, then end it like this. So this way you can comment. And if you see here, the setting is for font color. So we provided some predefined setting, blue, red, and what is enabled right now is a font color. So this is how we are going to modify our app.config file. Next, here in the application background color, if you see, we are setting the application background color, and we are doing that in the form load handler. So by this time you are aware of this piece of code. We use a configuration manager from system.configuration namespace. We access app settings, font color, key name we are specifying. Previously we provided key 1, key 2, right? This time we are providing the key name as a font color. And we know that it will give you a value either blue, red, green based on the setting. For now the font color is green, and in the string we will get the setting value as a green. Then here we declared a color object. So if color setting, so this is string, right? If it is red, we assign color.red to the ForeColor. Otherwise we will assign color.blue if value returned is blue, and if value returned is not red and not blue, we are assigning color.green. So this is actually not a safe piece of code. It is good to always check the color value. So here at this moment we have only 3 values. Suppose if the end user or the administrator, site administrator, or the production user, if he adds a new font color and the value instead of green, if they specify maroon, green color will be applied here, right? So that's why we have to always check the valid value. Here we can even put one more else if, and we can check green. Alright, anyhow here it will work, but don't leave it as open-ended like this. Always check else if color setting equal to green, then assign green color. Alright, here we have a valid color object in ForeColor, and then we will set it to our multi-line text box. So here we are accessing the ForeColor property and we are setting the color, and the setting is coming from the configuration file, if you see. Right now we will go ahead and implement this code change. Okay, we will open our app.config file and add new settings. Here by default value green is set for the font color. So we don't have form load. So double click anywhere on the form to generate the event handler. Alright, now we will build this, rebuild. Output is generated on this location. Let's go to this location. So we are at this location, and we can either run it from Visual Studio, or we can even directly run it from here. So here I am providing. So now if you see, the forecolor is in green. Now I'm closing this and I'm not rebuilding the application. This is what user will do on the production end. They will go to the configuration file. Here they will comment a specific configuration entry. And we will enable the red colored one. So now if we run this, you can see without rebuilding the application behavior changed. So it's a simple example. In real time, based on this configuration settings, the application behavior change. Suppose if we save the content of this one, we can either save that as a plain text or a rich text or even in XML format, and we can provide that in the setting here. So add key, file format, value. We can specify supported format, value equal to plain or value equal to RTF or value equal to XML. So based on the value, the application behavior will change. So just now you saw the demo. We are ending this sub-series. Thank you for watching. Bye.